You know English. But you panic when speaking. Welcome to Fluency Learning. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever been in a situation where you understand everything in English, but the moment it's your turn to speak, your mind goes completely blank? You start panicking. Your heart beats faster. You forget even simple words like go, do, or say. And later, you think, "Yar, I knew this, why couldn't I say it?" If this is you, then listen carefully. Because your problem is not English. Your problem is panic. Let's make one thing very clear from the start. You already know enough English to speak. Yes, you heard that right. If you can understand this video without subtitles. If you can read basic English. If you know simple words. Then your problem is not knowledge. It's pressure. Here's what actually happens inside your brain. When you are alone, you feel relaxed. You can think clearly. You can even form sentences. But when someone asks you to speak, your brain goes into pressure mode. It starts thinking. What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh? What if I say something wrong? What will people think about my English? And because of this fear, your brain freezes. This is called overthinking. And overthinking is the biggest enemy of fluency. Because fluency is not about perfect English. Fluency is about flow. And flow only comes when your mind is relaxed. Let me tell you a truth that might change everything for you. Nobody cares about your mistakes as much as you think. People are busy thinking about themselves. They are not analyzing your grammar. They are not counting your mistakes. This fear is created inside your own mind. Now the big question is, how do you fix this? How do you stop panicking and start speaking? Let's make it simple. Step 1, accept imperfect English. You have to accept this. You will make mistakes. Even advanced speakers make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. But they don't stop speaking. That's the difference. If you wait to become perfect, you will never speak. So from today, say this to yourself. I don't need perfect English. I need confident English. Step 2, use simple English. One big mistake learners make is this. They try to speak big, complicated sentences. That creates pressure. Instead, speak simple. Very simple. For example, don't say, I would like to express my opinion regarding this matter. Just say, I think this is good. Simple English equals fast English equals confident English. Step 3, train your brain for pressure. You cannot become confident by only thinking. You need practice under pressure. Try this. Every day, set a timer for 30 seconds. Pick any topic. Your day. Your favorite food. Your friend. Your plans. And speak non-stop for 30 seconds. Don't stop. Don't think too much. Don't correct yourself. Just speak. This trains your brain to stay active under pressure. Step 4, stop translating. Another reason you panic is this. You try to translate from your language to English. That slows you down. And creates more pressure. Instead, start thinking directly in English. Even if it's broken. Even if it's simple. For example, instead of thinking, Main kal bazar gaya the, how to say this? Just think directly. I went to market yesterday. Train your brain to think in English, not translate. Step 5. Change your focus. Right now, your focus is on: am I speaking correctly? Change it to: am I communicating my idea? Communication is the goal, not perfection. If the other person understands you, you are successful. Let's do a quick mindset shift. Before speaking, don't say, "I hope I don't make mistakes." Say, "I will speak, no matter what." This small change will remove half of your fear. Remember this line: confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. You don't wait to feel ready. You speak, and then you become ready. Let me give you a real-life example. Think about a child learning to speak. Do they wait for perfect grammar? No. They speak wrong sentences. They make mistakes. But they keep speaking. And that's why they become fluent. You need the same mindset. Now imagine this. What if you stopped caring about mistakes? What if you just focus on expressing yourself? What if you speak daily, even for 1 minute? Your English will change faster than you think. So from today, follow this simple rule. Speak more. Think less. Fear nothing. And the next time you feel panic, remember this. It's not your English that is weak. It's your confidence under pressure. And confidence is a skill. You can train it. Start small. Speak daily. Stay consistent. And slowly, that panic will disappear.